Tired of a cluttered kitchen that's always driving you crazy? In this video, we'll dive into the top kitchen organization and storage essentials that will transform your space. From sleek drawer dividers to versatile storage containers, we'll share the must-have items that will help you declutter, maximize space, and create a kitchen that's both functional and stylish. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to a more organized and efficient cooking experience. Let's dive in. Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer. The Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer is an indispensable tool for any kitchen, offering a sleek and efficient solution to keep your utensils neatly organized. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, this expandable tray is designed to adapt to drawers of various sizes, ensuring a perfect fit. Its adjustable compartments allow you to customize the layout to accommodate different utensil types, from spoons and forks to knives and serving utensils. By eliminating clutter and maximizing drawer space, this organizer promotes a more organized and streamlined kitchen environment. Its minimalist design complements any kitchen aesthetic, while its easy-to-clean surface ensures effortless maintenance. Investing in the Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer is an investment in both style and functionality. Divided Serving Tray with Handle. The divided serving tray is a fantastic decision for anyone who loves to entertain or simply enjoys having snacks readily available. This versatile shutter container is designed with multiple compartments, allowing you to neatly organize a variety of snacks such as fruits, nuts, candies, and more without them mixing together. Its clear design not only makes it easy to see what you have at a glance, but also adds a touch of elegance to your serving presentation. The included lid ensures that your snacks stay fresh and protected, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings, picnics, or parties. With a convenient handle, transporting your snack platter becomes effortless, so you can easily take it from the kitchen to your dining area or even outdoors. Weekly Pill Organizer. The Weekly Pill Organizer is an essential tool for anyone who needs to manage their medication effectively and conveniently. This innovative pill case allows you to organize your weekly medications into a single, easy-to-use container that features 3 compartments per day, ensuring you can take your pills at the right times: morning, afternoon, and evening. With its detachable design, the organizer allows you to remove individual compartments for on-the-go convenience, making it perfect for travel or busy lifestyles. Each compartment is spacious enough to hold a variety of pills, vitamins, or supplements, accommodating different sizes and shapes without any hassle. Floating Shelves for Walls. The floating shelves for walls are a smart choice for anyone looking to combine functionality with stylish decor in their home. These metallic gold and white wall-mounted shelves offer a chic and modern aesthetic that complements various interior styles, making them perfect for any room, be it the bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, or even an office space. The unique combination of wood and metal not only enhances durability, but also provides a striking visual contrast that can elevate the overall look of your walls. Each shelf is designed to support a significant amount of weight, allowing you to display books, plants, decorative items, or essential kitchen supplies without compromising on style. 4-pack storage bins. The 4-pack storage bins offer a stylish and functional solution for decluttering your space. These plastic storage containers are designed to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. The stackable design maximizes space utilization, making them ideal for small spaces like closets, cabinets, and desktops. The bamboo lids not only add a touch of natural elegance, but also provide a secure closure to protect your items from dust and moisture. The transparent body allows you to quickly identify contents, saving you time and effort. Whether you're organizing office supplies, craft materials, or household items, these storage bins provide a versatile and efficient storage solution. Iris Stackable Storage Bins. The Iris Stackable Storage Bins are a must-have for anyone seeking to declutter their space and optimize organization. These versatile bins offer a clear, transparent design that allows you to easily identify contents at a glance, saving you time and frustration. The stackable feature maximizes storage space, making them perfect for compact areas like refrigerators, pantries, closets, cabinets, and bathrooms. Whether you're organizing snacks, cans, office supplies, or coffee pods, these bins provide a practical and efficient solution. Their sturdy construction ensures durability, while the open front design offers convenient access to items. 4-tier slim storage cart. The 4-tier slim storage cart is a smart choice for anyone looking to maximize organization in narrow spaces while adding versatility to their home. This mobile shelving unit is designed specifically for tight areas, measuring just 5.1 inches deep and 15.7 inches wide, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, or any corner of your home that needs extra storage. Its 4-tier design allows you to store a variety of items, from cleaning supplies and spice bottles to toiletries and pantry essentials, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. The durable construction, featuring high-quality plastic shelves supported by stainless steel poles, ensures that this cart can handle everyday use while maintaining its stylish appearance. Coffee Syrup Rack Organizer. The Coffee Syrup Rack Organizer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their coffee bar experience and streamline their kitchen organization. This 3-tiered syrup bottle holder is specifically designed to accommodate up to 12 bottles, making it perfect for storing not only coffee syrups, but also dressings and other condiments. Its clear design allows you to easily see all your options at a glance, eliminating the frustration of digging through cluttered cabinets or drawers. The sturdy construction ensures that your bottles are securely held in place, while the compact design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for kitchens of any size. Magnetic Spice Rack. The magnetic spice rack is a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen organization and cooking experience. This innovative spice rack offers a sleek and space-saving solution that easily attaches to your refrigerator or any metal surface, keeping your spices within arm's reach while freeing up valuable counter and cabinet space. With its strong magnetic design, the rack securely holds spice jars, ensuring they won't fall or slide out of place, which is especially beneficial in busy kitchens where movement is constant. The convenience of having all your spices visible and accessible not only streamlines meal prep, but also encourages culinary creativity, as you can quickly find the right seasoning without digging through cluttered cabinets. Shazo Storage Cereal Containers. The Shazo Storage Cereal Containers are an excellent decision for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen organization while ensuring the freshness of their food items. With a generous capacity of 6.3 liters, or 213 ounces each, these extra-large airtight containers provide ample space for storing not just cereal, but also a variety of pantry staples such as rice, pasta, flour, and sugar. The 4-sided snap-locking lids feature a silicone seal that guarantees an airtight closure, keeping your food fresh and protected from moisture and pests. Their clear design allows for easy visibility of contents, making it simple to identify what you have on hand without rummaging through cluttered cabinets. Magnetic Paper Towel Holder. The magnetic paper towel holder is a stylish and practical solution for your kitchen. Its strong magnetic backing allows for easy installation on any metal surface, such as your refrigerator or kitchen cabinet. The sleek design and multiple functions make it a versatile addition to your kitchen. You can use it to hold paper towels, aluminum foil, or plastic wrap, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. With its durable construction and easy-to-use design, the magnetic paper towel holder is a must-have for any modern kitchen. Lazy Susan Turntable Organizer. The Lazy Susan Turntable Organizer is a kitchen essential that revolutionizes your storage and organization. This versatile turntable, crafted from durable pine wood, effortlessly rotates, providing easy access to your frequently used items. Whether you place it in your cabinet, pantry, countertop, refrigerator, or cupboard, this organizer maximizes space utilization and minimizes clutter. The 9-inch size is perfect for accommodating various items, from spices and condiments to canned goods and beverages. The carbonized finish adds a touch of rustic elegance to your kitchen decor. By incorporating this Lazy Susan into your kitchen setup, you'll streamline your cooking process, reduce time spent searching for ingredients, and enjoy a more organized and efficient kitchen space. DoorStash Dishwasher Pod Holder. The DoorStash dishwasher pod holder is a practical and space-saving solution for organizing your dishwasher detergent pods. This hanging storage container easily attaches to the inside of your cabinet door, maximizing your storage space and keeping your pods neat and accessible. The clear lid allows you to easily see how many pods you have left, preventing unnecessary trips to the store. With its durable construction and easy-to-use design, the DoorStash dishwasher pod holder is a must-have for any kitchen. Over-the-door pantry organizer. The over-the-door pantry organizer is a practical and space-saving solution for your kitchen or pantry. With its 8-tier design and adjustable baskets, you can customize the storage space to fit your specific needs. This over-the-door organizer helps you maximize unused space and keep your pantry organized. It's perfect for storing spices, canned goods, snacks, or other kitchen essentials. By using this organizer, you can easily find what you need, reduce clutter, and create a more efficient and organized kitchen. Gluit adhesive wall hooks. The Gluit adhesive wall hooks are a practical choice for anyone seeking versatile and damage-free hanging solutions in their home or office. These heavy-duty hooks can support up to 22 pounds, making them perfect for a variety of applications, from hanging towels and coats to organizing tools and kitchen utensils. One of the standout features is their easy installation. There's no need for nails or drilling, which means you can avoid damaging your walls. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and stick the hook in place. It's that simple. Additionally, these hooks are waterproof and oil-resistant, making them ideal for use in bathrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor spaces without worrying about wear and tear.